Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and opening the in-game store immediately. You should update the game to the required version and make sure your payment or currency balance covers the purchase. Once done, sign into the account that owns previous cosmetics and enable two-factor authentication to avoid purchase issues. Next, navigate to the featured skins section and filter by seasonal or limited items. This brings the new Apple skin into view, so you can begin the acquisition flow. You now follow the detailed purchase flow. Tap the Apple skin to open the preview, rotate and inspect on your avatar so you know how it looks in different lighting. Make sure to select the correct variant or color. Some skins have 2-3 options that change stats or visual effects. Then review the price, apply any available discount codes or bundles, and confirm payment. If a bundle offers savings, consider it. Otherwise, finalize the single item purchase to receive the skin instantly. You finish by equipping the new Apple skin from your wardrobe and verifying it appears in-game. If it does not show, restart the game and clear the cache, because temporary data can prevent new assets from loading. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Reconnect or switch networks if necessary. If the purchase failed or the skin is missing after these steps, gather your receipt or order ID and contact support promptly. Providing timestamps speeds up resolution and often gets your skin restored.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.